here, we're in sunny Woodlawn neighborhood outside of Breakside Brewing, which of course is delicious beer, and my favorite because we are in my neighborhood. Of course, Woodlawn coffee and pastry is my favorite. I walk down here on a Saturday morning and get an amazing quiche. Come check it out. And if you need a slice, Good Neighbor Pizzeria is the place to go. And of course, this is all on one block. Here we are outside of Oregon Public House, which is, as far as I know, the only nonprofit brew pub. They've actually donated $205,000 to charities all around Portland. And of course, for you, it's really fun. You just sit outside, have a beer, and enjoy the spring blossoms. Woodlawn's blessed to have two Italian joints on the same block. Firehouse is a pretty amazing architectural gem. It was an old firehouse, and inside the restaurant they have pictures of the firehouse when it was used for fighting fires. And their old fashioned is amazing, as well as their pizzas. Second Italian joint within a block radius of Woodlawn, you can never have enough Italian, is Campana, and they have the best cannoli ever. I come down here sometimes just for the cannoli, and their fresh salad is fantastic as well. Woodlawn's a really interesting mix of architecture from the 20s all the way to the 60s, as you can see emblematic behind me. Single family residences and duplexes and triplexes also there. And of course, it's all anchored by a small but mighty commercial center, all on Dekum Street.